So I don't really know how I'm going to reconnect with nature, but I'm just going to be in nature. It'll rub off on me. I'm going to scavenge, and I brought a book to study and some poetry notes so I can write haiku just like my brother. Look! Dinosaur footprint! There's 3. This was a 3-legged dinosaur. It probably had trouble surviving in the... It's nice to look at everything from a different angle. A little baby booty. Look at the baby booty. Does it look okay? The baby booty? I thought that was a flower from far away. It's amazing what you can find. Baby. Try moving around like it's a music video, okay? Beep, beep, bap, bap. Beep, bap, 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 bap. If only you could see what I could see. You know. And it's hard to tell. You know, good way to see. You don't know. You don't know you're beautiful. Call my mom.
Listen. You know, not a judgment call, but I think, you know, Mom said it's time to go home. It's time to go home.
Oh, man.
We'll
Do I
leave
look like
now.
I'm flying?
It looks like that. You need to don't fall.
Look at
I don't know first aid.
my tutu's in the tree. Oh no!
Don't go back up because I don't know first aid and I'm not a paramedic yet.
No, please help.
I'm shorter than you. I can't help. We need
I
to
need
go.
this tutu.
I'm really hungry.